The Apple cabin creates a whole new experience of multifunctional mobile accommodation. In today's modern world, container buildings, as a new type of architecture, have been used in all sorts of areas. From hotels to homestays, from commercial streets and tourist spots to temporary workplaces and disaster relief operations, container buildings have quickly grabbed the market with their unique perks. Among them, the Apple cabin, as a multifunctional and movable accommodation choice, has really got people's attention. The inside of the Apple cabin is just filled with that touchy and modern vibe. A single Apple cabin is 3 meters wide, and the length can be 3 meters, 6 meters, 9 meters, or 12 meters. And Apple cabins can be combined or stacked in ways depending on what you really need. This really expands its uses. Apple cabins are used a lot in places like homestay hotels, online famous restaurants, mobile exhibition halls, gyms, libraries, and pop-up stores. Whether it's in the busy parts of the city or the quiet corners of the countryside, the Apple cabin can give you a really unique living experience. Its awesome fabricated design means the Apple cabin is not only easy to shift around, but also super fast and convenient. Also, the personalized design of the Apple cabin meets the different desires of people of all ages. From what young people like, being trendy and cool, to what older people need, being comfy and at ease, the Apple cabin can make it all come true. When it comes to the interior decoration, users can design and set it up however they want. That makes each Apple cabin a special private space just for them. As a pro manufacturer of Apple cabins, we always make sure to give customers high-quality Apple cabin products and full after-sales services. We also offer supporting services like design, production, transportation, and installation.